How do I apply for a driver's license in the USA? To apply for a driver's license in the USA, the process depends on the state you live in, but the general steps are usually the same. 1. Check eligibility. In the United States, you must first check if you are eligible to apply for a driver's license. The minimum age varies between states, but it is usually between 16 and 18 years old. Some states also require you to first obtain a learner's permit before applying for a full license. 2. Prepare required documents. When applying for a license, you will need to bring several important documents. These include proof of identity, such as a passport or birth certificate, proof of your social security number, like your SSN card, and proof of residency in the state where you are applying, such as a utility bill, lease, or bank statement. If you are not a U.S. citizen, you must also provide valid immigration documents. 3. Apply for a learner's permit if required. In many states, you must first apply for a learner's permit. This usually involves taking a written knowledge test about traffic laws and road signs, as well as a vision test to ensure you can drive safely. After passing these tests and paying the required fee, you will receive your permit. With it, you may need to practice driving for a certain period, often between 6 months and 1 year before you can apply for a full license. 4. Schedule a road test. Once you have practiced driving and are ready, you must schedule a road test at your state's Department of Motor Vehicles or licensing office. You may need to bring your own car for the test, although some driving schools provide a vehicle for this purpose. 5. Take the driving test. During the road test, a DMV examiner will evaluate your ability to drive safely and follow traffic laws. You will be asked to demonstrate skills such as parking, signaling, lane changes, and general road awareness. 6. Pay the fees. After completing the test successfully, you will need to pay the license fees. These vary by state, but usually range between $20 and $50. 7. Receive your license. If you pass, you will first be given a temporary paper license that allows you to drive legally. Your official plastic driver's license card will then be mailed to you within a few weeks. Since each state has slightly different rules, it's best to check the official DMV website of your state for exact requirements. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.